Want to make $1,000 in a day, upwards to almost $1,500 in a day? Yes, you heard it here first. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Ashley K. I specialize in videos on money. I specialize in videos on side hustles, but most importantly, I show you how to live your best budget-friendly life. I know it's been a minute since you guys have seen this lovely face of mine. Okay, I'm so sorry, you guys. Life has been crazy but we're here now, okay? And I have a nice quick side hustle for you guys, and you know I'm always looking for them side hustles to make sure to share it with my channel. And if you guys hear some running water in the background, sorry, my pipes are on, so they make weird noises in the background, so I apologize for that. But yes, let's get back to it, you guys. I have found a really quick side hustle. It doesn't take any experience, it doesn't take nearly to no knowledge when it comes to budgeting, when it comes to side hustles. It's very simple, very easy. Literally anyone can do this side hustle, and it's quick. It literally takes under 10 minutes to do, okay, you guys? So yes, but before we get started, like I said before, my name is Ashley K. I specialize on a lot of money making videos. I specialize in money advice. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to click the subscribe button down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on videos that I post. Make sure you also follow me on my socials. There'll be links somewhere in the screen, or they'll be down in the description box below. If you want to get in touch with me, my contact information is down there as well too. Definitely check that description box out for any additional information. That we got that out of the way, let's get into the actual topic of the video for today. So what we're going to be talking about is actually posting stuff, finding products on Etsy and reselling it on Facebook Marketplace. Yes, you guys, like, this is actually a thing, and it's actually unheard of right now. It's a very underrated side hustle. I have started doing this and I started seeing some traffic, so I'm gonna go ahead and I had to go ahead and share it with my money making gang, my budget friendly gang. I had to share this side hustle with you guys before it gets oversaturated. So what you're basically going to do is look for popular products on Etsy.com. If you haven't heard of Etsy, Etsy is a humongous marketing website. You can basically sell anything on there. You can basically open businesses on there. Like, tons of businesses have done really well on Etsy, selling their products, selling handmade products, selling custom products. Definitely the website if you are trying to start a business, or you make handmade products, custom products, and you don't know where to sell it. Etsy is a really big merchant. They specialize in making online storefronts. So if that's something you are interested in business, if you're a new business owner but you don't know where to sell your products, if you make custom candles, custom aromas, like, you can literally sell anything on Etsy and create a storefront for absolutely $0 to no dollars. So definitely check out Etsy if you're a new business owner. If you're wanting to sell products online, definitely check out Etsy for that. Now that that's out the way, let's get into why we're going to use Etsy. Okay, so basically when you go on Etsy, I'm actually going to show you guys a demo online after this whole part of the video, so stay tuned to the end to watch the actual demo process of how I actually find the products and how I actually sell on Etsy. Be sure to stay to the end so you can see how I actually implement this process and make money off of it. So make sure you watch to the end for that. But basically what you're gonna do is go on Etsy. There's an actual tab on Etsy that says look for popular selling products. So you're gonna click that tab, and you're gonna make sure it's very important that you click that tab. It's very important that you find the most popular selling items on Etsy, because that is what's going to make you money on Facebook Marketplace. So when you go ahead and find a popular product, in my example, I chose to pick candles. I mean, candles are very popular right now. Everybody loves scented candles. Everybody loves different kind of creative candles for home decor reasons and stuff like that. So I went ahead and picked candles, and I found an actual merchant that was creative. They actually make different types of candles. Like, they make kind of funny candles, as you're gonna see in my demo. They actually make like middle finger candles, FU candles, like something really funny. So I thought that was creative. You want to look for different products that are not like on the market right now. You want to look for products that are different and that stand out, because that's what's going to stand out to your buyer. That's what's going to stand out to the person that is wanting to buy these items. They're going to see that this item is, you know, not necessarily something that they have seen before, and that's what entices them to buy it. So once you find that products, you're going to reach out to the merchant, the seller that's actually making this product, product and just reach out to them and say, hey, you know, I'm wanting to resell your item on Facebook Marketplace. I'm just wondering if that's okay. 9 times out of 10, they will say it's okay because you're giving them free promo. Like you're basically reached out to the seller of the product. You're going to go ahead and take photos of the product. You can use their stock photos of what they have of the supplied for the product. You can go ahead and take those photos, screenshot it, do whatever you have to do, and go ahead and post those on Facebook Marketplace. So now when you go over to Facebook Marketplace, you're actually going to list the product as if it was your own product. You're going to list the product, put all the specifications of the products. You would find that obviously on the Etsy website. So make sure it's kind of like a copy paste. You're going to just copy the information, paste it to your Facebook Marketplace listing. Once you do that, you're going to then list the price. So whatever the original price of the item is, you're going to go ahead and upsell that. So if the product was $15, obviously to make profit, you're going to have to raise the price on Facebook Marketplace, and you're going to sell it for maybe $20, $25. You don't want to go too crazy. Make sure it's reasonable for the item that you are selling. The price has to match the item that you're selling, but you're going to want to raise the price because obviously you're trying to make profit, you know? So once you do that, you're going to go ahead and list your item, and that's basically it, you guys. It's literally a copy paste method. It's so easy. You can also even implement this product. You can also implement this technique with other products. You can go ahead and list like multiple products that you found on Etsy and put that on Facebook Marketplace. And then basically when somebody buys your item, you're going to go ahead and put in an order. Go back to Etsy. You're going to go ahead and put in the order for so basically that's all you guys have to do. And trust me, you guys, if you post multiple items on your Facebook Marketplace page and you do this multiple times, you're going to see a turnover of hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars until someone actually purchases an item from you. And you basically, all you have to do is just send the order off to the supplier and they take care of the rest. Okay, you guys? So yes, definitely something you want to check out before it gets oversaturated. I highly recommend you guys check this out. And I highly recommend not just selling one product, but also looking for more popular products that can be sold and basically build a whole storefront of selling products, child. Okay, why not? Okay, so yes, you guys, I will definitely be showing you a demo right after this part of the video, so be sure to stay tuned to that. And if I don't see you at the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. New subscribers, old subscribers, I thank all of y'all for all the love, all the support you guys have been showing me. I'm forever grateful and forever thankful. We are growing slowly but surely, okay? And I'm so happy for the growth, and I'm so thankful for everyone that has been tuning in, sharing my videos, and doing everything that they possibly can to help this channel grow. Okay, everyone that has been benefiting from my advice, I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful for all of that love that you guys have been giving me. Okay, you guys, so let's get into the demo part, and be sure to subscribe for more videos coming up very, very soon. Take care. Okay, you guys, so we're on the Etsy website, and as you guys can see, there's lots of options. So I went ahead and chose candles, like I said previously. So I chose candles, and basically what you're gonna see is different options of candles, different varieties, different kinds. And basically you see where it says star seller, you want to look for those type of sellers because those are the sellers that sell the most candles, and those are the ones that are the top sellers in that category. So those are the candles you want to pick from, or those are the options you want to pick from. And as you guys can see, I kind of wanted to choose something different, things that stand out, and this merchant definitely stood out with the different types of candles that she makes. So as you can see, her price on her items are $7. So you would go to Facebook Marketplace and I would sell it for maybe $10 or $15 so you can make a profit. So that's basically it for everything, and thank you guys so much for watching.